Let's take a look at that 15% trade. You're going to see the trade was entered when we saw price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and we got a market order at 1.296 cents. We saw whale money push into the market, and of course, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So this pushed the price of Bitcoin crazy high up to our 15% take profit. Bitcoin has officially posted its first ever golden cross on the weekly time frame as of today. While this is great for the long-term outlook for Bitcoin, short-term, historically, this is actually bearish, and this further confirms our expected drop to a range of around $32,000. Here's why. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. As of today, we are 126 wins, 0 losses in our scalping trades. And if we head up to the trade setups page, I want to show you our actual performance record. Let's click this link here. Each of these 4% green cells here are take profits. Each of these are trade wins. We have accomplished so much through the bear market. And as we transition into the bull market, you're going to see higher values like 6%, 10%, 4%, 7%. So many trades. We saw a bunch of 8% recently, and our record so far for this market cycle is 15%. Now stay tuned because much bigger trades are coming. Let's take a look at that 15% trade. This is on ApeCoin, and if we click right here, you're going to see the trade was entered when we saw price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and we got a market order at 1.296 cents. From here, we set buy limits at 99.8 cents and 71.3 cents. Now keep in mind, this was posted January 9th. And from there, just a couple days later on January 11th, we saw whale money push into the market. And of course, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So this pushed the price of Bitcoin crazy high up to our 15% take profit at $1.49. Congratulations to everyone that won this 15% trade and all the subsequent trades after that. One last announcement before we dive into the analysis, just a quick second. Our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout is coming up tomorrow, Thursday, January 18th from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time. Members can join us for live coaching, Q&A, and just a fun general hangout with the Trade Confident community and staff. Don't miss out on that. You can access those trade setups, the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout, and more with a membership at the links in the description down below. More on that later, but I want to talk to you about this golden cross. Now, the yellow line here is the 50 simple moving average, and the blue one is the 200 moving average. When you see this yellow line cross above the blue line, this is considered a golden cross, and it is long-term bullish. Now keep in mind, this is on the 1 week, and this is the first time it has ever happened on Bitcoin. Now on the weekly time frame, we also see price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high with a 95% chance of a drop, along with a sell signal. All three of which, the vast majority of the time, turn out to be very bearish. You can see right here, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal. Sell signal, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high. Right here, sell signal, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, and each of these resulted in moves down. So this should be at least short-term bearish. So our indicators are showing bearish on the weekly, but a golden cross is bullish, right? Well, not exactly. We're looking now at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. Now you're going to see a series of yellow lines. Now this very first one, golden cross, actually did see moves up just about immediately. This was very bullish and very exciting to see. But as we move farther back here, you're going to see this one first. From the point of the golden cross to the next bottom was about a 13% drop before we really started seeing moves back to the upside. Now, if we scroll back here, let's find the next one. Right here, another golden cross all the way to the bottom, about 16%. We got two golden crosses right here. The first one was a 12% drop, and the next one was a much larger 62% drop. So out of the last 5 golden crosses on Bitcoin on the 1-day time frame, 4 saw at least a 10% drop, averaging somewhere around 12 to 13%. I would honestly consider this last one a little bit of an outlier here because this was actually the COVID crash. But the point still stands that 4 out of 5 of these saw moves down, significant moves down, before seeing any longer term moves up. Now from the current price, the main structure support that I'm looking at for the expected drop is around $38,000. And from the current price, this is a just over 10% drop in the market. And that falls right in line with the other golden crosses. Keep in mind though, this happened on the 1 week time frame, so things may play out over a longer period of time. Instead of a few days, it could actually be a matter of weeks, and over a span of weeks, we could actually see much larger drops in the market, especially because of the massively bearish signals posted on the weekly time frame. Now, my second target for the drop, if we break through that $38,000 support, is $31,862. From the current price, this is a much larger 24% move down, but once again, still falls in line with that last larger golden cross crash. Now, I think we can all agree we've officially hit a top in Bitcoin with this mix of signals. The only question now is, how are we going to catch the bottom? Well, I told you my 2 structure supports, my 2 targets that I'm looking at, but in order to call the official bottom, what I'd like to see on the weekly time frame is for price versus money flow and trades in favor to be low. Now, they don't have to be as low as they would on the 1 day time frame just because of how large this time frame actually is on the 1 week. But price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, and ideally a buy signal would confirm the next uptrend. Price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, move up. Price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, move up. Price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, crazy move up. It happens over and over and over again. So if we get, once again, price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy signal, that is when I'm going to be looking for the next move up. If we hit the structure support and we still see both of these indicators are pretty high on their chart, I would expect a further move down. So in conclusion, the golden cross on the weekly time frame, short-term bearish, long-term highly bullish, especially in combination with the strong bearish signals from our indicators. We should be looking for moves down from here anywhere between a 10 and 24% drop. And in order to catch the bottom, we're looking for price versus money flow low and trades in favor low along with a buy signal. All of these will confirm the next uptrend. And if you want to stay updated and make the next best possible entry, possibly the last opportunity for a significant buy before the halving event and subsequent parabolic moves, you need to be paying attention to these indicators. These indicators have helped us earn 126 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. And if you want to get access, I can help you snag them for up to $550 off. Check this out. Links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down and hear me out here, but you're going to want to snag a membership first. That's because it is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one based on the membership coupon codes. Now, the full access membership is your ticket to the live Zoom hangout coming out tomorrow. You're going to get access to our metrics across all 20 coins, all trade setups where we are currently 126 wins and 0 losses, and of course, our members only future forecast videos. Go ahead and scroll down, click subscribe now, and once you have your membership, you're going to head down to the indicator page. Now, I want to show you some profits made with these indicators. This person earned 16% with us using those indicators. This person is up almost $9,000 with their account, up over 39%. This person made $950 in 1 day, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. Absolutely absurd what our members have been able to accomplish. Now, once you have your membership, you're going to click this link here to access your coupon code, and then you're going to click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, you're going to scroll down and click I want this. You're going to throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts. We're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout tomorrow. Don't miss out.